Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the Gemini improvement on One UI 8. So with One UI 8, Samsung's Gemini AI assistant has gotten a major upgrade. So if you show Gemini multiple items on your screen, for example, 3 different phones, products, or menu choices, you can simply ask which one is the best. Gemini will literally mark a dot on the item it recommends right on your screen. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the Play Store. You want to go ahead and search for Gemini. Make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now, once that's updated, you want to go ahead and open up Gemini. Now you want to go ahead and open up Live Gemini. And then go ahead and open up your camera. So now Gemini is basically looking through your camera, and you can go ahead and ask any question you like. So here I've got 2 plants. I'll go ahead and ask which one is the white color.
The one in the white pot is the lighter color. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Which one has a sharp leaf?
The leaves on the plant in the cork pot look sharper.
Which one is a smaller plant?
The plant in the white pot is the smaller one.
So this makes decision making super easy by visually highlighting the best option. So no need to read through endless comparisons. Gemini does the analysis for you. So this is useful for shopping, comparing tech specs, choosing restaurants, and more. And this feels more interactive and human-like since it doesn't just give you text, it points directly at the subject. So there you go, guys. That is a new improvement in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy device.